Assalamu alaikum fifth class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to solve exercise. So now first we are going to solve question number 1, which is choose the correct answer. Which of these is not a natural force? The options are running water, wind, a machine, gravity. So the correct answer is machine. All other options are natural forces. Second option is force can be measured by using an instrument called a. The options are summer balance, spring balance, autumn balance, winter balance. So the correct answer is spring balance. Third option is which of these is a way to reduce friction? The options are lubrication, oil, grease, all of them. So the correct answer is all of them. Fourth option is the force that holds planets in their orbits is called as gravity, space force, motion, magnetism. So the correct answer is gravity. Last option is which of the following is not a simple machine? The options are wedge, inclined plane, wheelbarrow, lever. So the correct answer is lever, wheelbarrow. Now we are going to solve question number 2, which is match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. The amount of matter in an object is known as mass. The amount of gravitational force acting on object on the earth is known as weight. The force which opposes motion or movement and produces heat is called as friction. A push or pull exerted by an object on another object is called as force. Now we are going to solve question number 3, which is fill in the blanks. A force is a push or pull between two objects. The instrument used to measure force is called a spring balance. The unit of force is the Newton. The force which stops or slows down a moving object is called as friction. All matter on our planet exerts an invisible force of attraction on other matter, which is called as gravity. Gravity always attracts things towards each other, but it never repels them. The measure of the amount of matter in an object is called as mass. Weight is the amount of gravitational force exerted by the earth on object on its surface. Dash was a scientist who discovered force of gravity. Sir Isaac Newton. Friction creates dash which become a problem in machines. Heat. Next we are going to solve question number 4. Mark these sentences with tick and cross. Frictional force stop or slow down moving object. So this statement is correct. The unit of force is the kilogram. No, the unit of the force is Newton. So this statement is cross. The unit of weight is called the Newton cross. Mass is the distance of an object from the earth. Cross, because mass is the amount of an object. Rough surfaces increase friction. Yes, so this statement is correct. An astronaut's body mass on the moon will remain the same as on the earth. Yes, so this statement is correct. Now we are going to solve question answer. Question number 5 is Explain why the weight of a person or object decreases on the moon. As we know, on the moon, which is smaller than the earth, the weight would decreases because of pull of gravity is weaker there than the earth. So, the weight of a person or object decreases on the moon due to the weaker pull of gravity. Next, question number 5. What is the relationship between surface type and amount of friction? Smooth and rounded surfaces help to reduce friction as compared to rough surfaces. Thank you and Allah Hafiz students.